Okay, now we're on to I, right? No, we're on to F. So stop, right? I, investigate the source, and we're at find trusted coverage. Uh, I'm going to talk a little bit about this idea of trusted coverage, why we use that term trusted and why we use that term coverage. But first, I want to show an easy example. Here it says that a man has graffitied Bird God onto Brooklyn's Grand Army Plaza arch, right? And did this happen, right? Well, if we know hyperallergic, right? If we know that source and we trust it, maybe we think it did happen, right? And that's fine, like if we know that source already. But we might not know that source. And so what we might be in the market for is not to deeply investigate that particular source, but to find an article from a recognizable source that we do know. So in this case, we'll search for Man Graffiti's Bird God, and we'll do this Google News search. And what we see here is what we would expect when an event, even a sort of moderately big event happens. We see multiple outlets covering it. We see Hyperallergic, New York Post, AM New York, local TV station, WABC, a New York affiliate, and the New York Times, all covering this. You can see this in the blurb of the New York Times, right? Even though it's not in the headline. That's what we expect to see. Now, on the other hand, if we saw something that said Keanu Reeves died, right? And we went and we searched and we, let's say Keanu Reeves, let's see, we saw something that said Keanu Reeves died, right? And what we find is a bunch of stuff about a London, a British soap opera and a person named Keanu there. We know that Keanu Reeves didn't die, because if Keanu Reeves died, you'd see a lot of outlets covering it. So that's the first thing when we think about find trusted coverage, is when we are told events did happen, we should see, if they are significant events, we should see a variety of coverage about it.